Freedom is the light that guides every nation toward a brighter future. Independence is more than a date on the calendar. It is a reminder that freedom was earned through courage, sacrifice, and unwavering hope. Let us honor those who gave everything by building a nation filled with unity, peace, and opportunity for every citizen. On this Independence Day, remember that the greatest tribute to our heroes is not just waving the flag but living with honesty, kindness, and respect for the values they fought to protect. Freedom gives us the power to dream, create, and achieve. May this Independence Day inspire every heart to work together for a brighter future where every dream has the chance to become reality. The flag reminds us that countless brave souls sacrificed their comfort, their dreams, and even their lives so future generations could enjoy the priceless gift of freedom. Let us never take that gift for granted. Independence is not only about celebrating the past, but also about accepting the responsibility to shape a better tomorrow through compassion, integrity, and determination. True patriotism is shown not only during celebrations but through everyday actions that strengthen our communities, protect our values, and inspire future generations to love their country. The story of independence is written with courage, sacrifice, and hope. It is our duty to continue that story by building a future filled with peace and prosperity. A nation's true wealth is not measured by its resources but by the character, resilience, and unity of its people. Happy Independence Day to every proud citizen. Let the colors of our flag remind us to stand for peace, justice, courage, and equality while working together for a brighter tomorrow. Every generation has a role in protecting the freedom inherited from those who came before. Let us be worthy guardians of that priceless legacy. The sacrifices of yesterday became the freedom of today. Let our actions today become the hope of tomorrow for generations yet to come. A nation's future is shaped by citizens who believe that every challenge can be overcome through unity, perseverance, and faith in a better tomorrow. Every flag waving proudly in the sky carries the dreams of millions and the sacrifices of countless heroes who believed in the promise of freedom. Freedom allows us to speak, dream, and grow. Let us use these blessings wisely by spreading kindness, knowledge, and hope wherever we go. Freedom is a gift that grows stronger when shared through unity, respect, and the willingness to work for the common good. Happy Independence Day!